Mecca, the holiest city in Islam, is renowned for its profound spiritual significance and captivating beauty. Dominated by the majestic Kaaba, a sacred black cube-shaped structure at the heart of the Masjid al-Haram mosque. The city serves as the epicenter of the Islamic faith, drawing millions of pilgrims. Annually during the Hajj and Umrah, the city's allure extends beyond its religious landmarks. Its arid landscape is framed by towering hills and rocky terrain, which create a striking contrast to the bustling, modern architecture that has arisen around the sacred sites. The skyline of Mecca is punctuated by soaring minarets and grand structures, while the vibrant energy of the city's bazaars and marketplaces adds a unique cultural charm. The serene rhythm of the Adhan call to prayer that echoes through its streets enhances the city's spiritual atmosphere, making Mecca not only a place of historical and religious significance, but also a deeply moving and aesthetically remarkable destination. Mecca, or Mecca, is a city that embodies the pinnacle of spiritual significance in Islam, serving as a focal point for the Muslim world. At its core is the Masjid al-Haram, the Grand Mosque, which houses the Kaaba, the most sacred site in Islam. The Kaaba, a black-clad cube, is the Qibla, the direction Muslims face during daily prayers, symbolizing unity in the faith. Pilgrims from around the globe converge on Mecca to perform Hajj, a pilgrimage that is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and Umrah, which can be undertaken at any time of the year. This influx of visitors imbues the city with a unique, transcendent energy. The city's history is deeply intertwined with Islamic tradition, dating back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, who was born in Mecca. It was in this city that he received the first revelations from Allah, and its historical importance is further underscored by the surrounding landscapes, such as Mount Arafat and the Cave of Hira, where Muhammad is believed to have received divine messages. The architecture of Mecca is a blend of the ancient and the modern. The Masjid al-Haram has been expanded and renovated numerous times, reflecting a harmonious integration of contemporary design with traditional Islamic aesthetics. The cityscape is dominated by the Abraham Bait Towers, a complex of skyscrapers with a grand clock tower that stands as one of the tallest buildings in the world. These modern structures contrast with the historic simplicity of the surrounding old city. Souks offer a glimpse into Mecca's rich cultural heritage. The geographical setting of Mecca, nestled within a desert valley surrounded by rugged mountains, adds to its distinct character. The harsh, arid environment accentuates the city's oasis-like nature and highlights the spiritual journey of its pilgrims, who traverse the desert to reach this sacred destination. The city's climate is typically hot and dry,